Alright, hello everyone, this is Pamperchew. The last few months I've started practicing picking locks. Of course the first one I picked was just a wafer tumbler, but today I picked up a couple of these Kwiksets at the Salvage home place or whatever. Have fun and get some practice with it. If I can get it on camera. The first time I got this open, it took me about 10 minutes. And the second time, just a couple minutes. Now we have another one that's the same model, but a different bitting. It has almost no bitting at all. I'll show that to you at the end here. Alright, let's see how long I can do it on video. The first time, or the second time, I was pretty amazed how quickly I got it. Because the first time took me about 15 minutes, but then when I found a trick that worked on this one, it worked right away on the second time, but it doesn't always work. Okay, pin 2's good. I think it's pin 3 now that's bound up. Got it. Now, I wish I could explain it on camera, but I'm still learning. I have an idea of what's going on, I just don't know the proper words for everything, but yeah, this is kind of been a fun hobby, and it's a rush when you get one. There you go. I'll be doing lock-picking videos from now on once in a while when I get new locks to play with. I got a drawer full. This is a Kwikset door handle, and I bought it so I can replace the handle on my door. The thing jammed up and I got stuck inside my room. So here's the bitting on the other one that we have. That's almost a joke as a key. The bitting is almost non-existent. There's not much there. You can use almost a straight, anything straight, and just go right up, and that's what I did when I got a hold of it. My first try on this one. It took about 5 seconds, and I was not too surprised because I looked at the bitting on the key first, but the second time I tried it, it was a lot harder, so sometimes it's all luck. Oh, it's still open for bore, okay. Let's try it like this. There we go. Alright, let's try this one. Shouldn't be too hard. I got lucky. There I go. That simple. That shouldn't even be manufactured. They should know to eliminate keys that are that shape. So this is the box. Kwikset, the key to security. Model number, Delta N entry. Alright, so here's the set that I got. Someone traded it to me for a piece of art, so good deal. The only things that I found useful in it, of course, tenter wrenches are definitely must-have, but these two picks were very useful. That's what I used to do the one in this video. Well, hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching.